Where do I start? Which drone do I purchase, and how do I attract the highest paying clients for my drone business? Hello, my name is Jerry White. I'm a drone pilot, a small business owner, and instructor here at DARTdrones. And if you are like I was, you have a lot of questions and may even feel overwhelmed when wanting to take your passion of drone flying into a promising, sustaining business. Well, it turns out you're not alone. So many of our past students have reached out over the years asking many of these same pressing questions. Now, during the next few emails and within this micro course, we are going to cover the best practices that a new drone operator can use, as well as get some great business advice that goes well beyond just the skills of flying the drone. So join me over the next few days as we take an honest look into drone entrepreneurship.